Got a big construction project on your hands? Need a heavy-duty saw for concrete, a core rig for precise drilling, or maybe a laser for perfect leveling? Our today's lineup of construction tools is packed with some great solutions to make your job easier, faster, and more precise. So let's dive in. So, you're staring down a pile of concrete, steel, or rebar, and you need a tool that doesn't mess around? Let us tell you about the DEWALT FLEXVOLT 9-inch cutoff saw. This cordless beast is powered by a brushless motor pumping out 6,600 RPM. So you're cutting through tough materials in a single pass, up to 3¼ inches deep. The 5-position rotatable guard lets you switch angles for better visibility, especially in those tight, tricky spots. Plus, it's got a dual-sided water feed to keep dust under control, meeting OSHA Table 1 standards for a cleaner, safer work environment. The sealed battery box shrugs off harsh job site conditions. And a heavy load indicator gives you real-time feedback on runtime. No cords, no gas, just pure power and portability for pros who need precision on the go. Got some heavy-duty drilling to do? Let's talk about the Milwaukee MX Fuel Core rig with stand. This cordless rig is like having a gas-powered drill without the fumes, noise, or constant maintenance headaches. It handles core bits up to 14 inches, making it perfect for plumbing, electrical, or HVAC installations. The sturdy stand keeps everything stable, so your holes are spot on every time. With an onboard digital display, you can track performance and make adjustments on the fly. Powered by Milwaukee's MX Fuel battery, you get up to 35 minutes of runtime per charge, plenty to power through tough concrete or masonry. It's lightweight for a rig this powerful, cutting down on fatigue and boosting efficiency. Ready to drill like a pro? This one's a must-have. Ever struggled to get perfectly level lines on a job site? The Bosch GLL50-15XG line laser is here to save the day. This green beam laser shoots out crisp, highly visible lines up to 50 feet, even in bright daylight. Way better than those red lasers. With self-leveling tech and plus or minus 1/8 inch accuracy at 33 feet, and it's a dream for framing, drywall, or laying tile. The IP55 rated design laughs off dust and water, and the magnetic mount makes setup a total breeze. You can switch between horizontal, vertical, or cross-line modes to tackle any layout task. Powered by AA batteries, it runs for up to 15 hours, so you're not stuck recharging mid-job. If precision's your thing, this laser's got your back. Polishing concrete or prepping surfaces got you worn out? Say hello to the Hilti Nuron DGH 130-2. 2 cordless concrete grinder. This bad boy runs on a 22-volt Nuron battery, delivering corded level power at up to 11,000 RPM, no cords holding you back. The brushless motor is built to last with minimal maintenance, and the ergonomic adjustable handle keeps your arms and back happy during long sessions. Its dust extraction system hooks up easily to keep your workspace clean, and the quick change disc system means you're not wasting time swapping out attachments. Whether you're smoothing out concrete or finishing floors, this lightweight grinder makes the job feel effortless. Trust me, your next concrete project needs this tool. Your hands take a beating on the job, right? That's where Makita high-performance gloves come in. These gloves are all about keeping your hands safe and comfy, with padded impact zones to protect against bumps and scrapes. The stretchable spandex gives you a snug, flexible fit, while the high-grip material ensures you've got a solid hold on tools or materials, even in wet conditions. Need extra toughness? Go for the leather version with puncture-resistant protection. Oh, and here's the kicker. They've got 5-finger touchscreen capability, so you can check your phone without stripping them off. From masonry to heavy lifting, these gloves are a lifesaver for any construction pro. Lifting heavy concrete pipes or slabs got you dreading the day? The Man Saver is about to change how you work. This hydraulic lifting tool lets one person move massive loads without breaking a sweat or relying on bulky machinery. It's adjustable to grip various pipe sizes and weights, making it perfect for sewer, drainage, or utility projects. Built tough for rugged job sites, it's designed to handle the chaos without flinching. The intuitive controls cut down on setup time, and the safety-focused design reduces the risk of injury. If you're tired of back-breaking labor, the ManSaver is your ticket to smarter, safer lifting. If your next project demands drilling through tough concrete or masonry, take this Eibenstock EDB 480.1 with you. This wet, dry diamond core drill handles bits up to 4 inches, making it ideal for plumbing, electrical, or anchor installations. Its 2-speed gearbox lets you switch between high torque for tough materials and faster speeds for lighter stuff. The soft start feature keeps things smooth, preventing sudden jolts, and the water feed system controls dust for cleaner, safer work. Built with a rugged frame, it's ready for the roughest job sites. Plus, it's surprisingly lightweight and ergonomic, so you're not exhausted after a long day of drilling. This is precision and power in one compact package. Pulling cables through walls or conduits, driving you up the wall? The RUNPOTEC Cable Guide Roller is here to make it painless. This compact tool reduces friction and protects cables, so you're not fighting snags or damage during installation. It handles cables up to 150 millimeters in diameter, perfect for electrical or telecom jobs. The adjustable setup lets you tweak it for different angles or surfaces, ensuring smooth pulls every time. Built to survive tough job sites, it's lightweight yet durable, making it a go-to for electricians who want to save time and effort. Trust me, this roller will make cable management feel like a walk in the park. This is the ORIT BV Sand Limestone Clamp. This heavy-duty clamp is designed for cranes or forklifts, gripping blocks tightly to prevent slips or damage. It's adjustable to handle various block sizes, making it a versatile pick for masonry or construction sites. The robust steel construction is built to last, even under the toughest conditions. And the ergonomic design cuts down on setup time so you can keep the job moving. Whether you're stacking walls or laying foundations, this clamp boosts productivity while keeping safety first. It's a total game changer for heavy lifting. Need a rock-solid solution for utility or drainage systems? The Hancock Concrete Box is your answer. These precast concrete boxes are engineered for unbeatable strength, perfect for stormwater management, culverts, or utility vaults. You can customize them to fit your project's exact specs, and they're built to handle heavy loads and harsh weather without cracking. Installation is quick, saving you serious time on site, and their durability means they'll last for decades. Whether you're working on infrastructure, commercial projects, or road work, these boxes deliver reliable performance you can count on. Get ready to lay a foundation that stands the test of time. For bricklayers who demand precision, the OX Pro Metric Tough Rule White Brick Gauge is your new best friend. This isn't just a ruler. It's a tough, purpose-built tool designed to make laying bricks faster and more accurate. Made from durable, high-impact plastic, it's built to survive the chaos of a construction site without warping or fading. The white background with clear, bold markings ensures you can read measurements easily, even in dusty or low-light conditions. At 1 meter long, it's compact enough to carry, but long enough to handle larger jobs with ease. Whether you're a seasoned mason or just starting out, this rule takes the hassle out of measuring and keeps your work spot on. When you're spending hours on your knees at a job site, comfort and durability are non-negotiable. Milwaukee's lineup of knee pads, like the Performance knee pads and Stabilizer Performance knee pads, is built to keep you going strong. These aren't your average knee pads. They're packed with layered gel and pressure-reducing foam that absorbs impact and supports your knees, so you can focus on the task, not the ache. Whether you're laying tile or crawling through a tight space, the water-resistant caps and puncture-resistant materials ensure these pads hold up on rough surfaces. Milwaukee also offers options like the Free Flex for lightweight flexibility or the non-marring version for delicate surfaces, so you've got choices for any job. Cutting through concrete, masonry, or steel, the Makita 36-volt LXT brushless 9-inch power cutter is here to make it feel effortless. Powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, This cordless tool delivers gas-like power without the fumes, noise, or maintenance headaches. Its brushless motor churns out 6,600 RPM, slicing through tough materials with precision, while the integrated water supply kit keeps dust under control for cleaner, safer cuts. Weighing just 10.6 pounds with batteries, it's easy to handle, and the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long sessions. With a max cutting depth of 3.5 inches, it's perfect for everything, from trenching to demo work. Plus, you get up to 45 minutes of runtime per charge, plenty to tackle serious jobs. All right, that's our rundown of some seriously awesome construction tools. We hope you're pumped to try these out on your next project. Want to keep up with the latest gear? Hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Catch you next time!